Is that better? Start all these streams. Yeah, just harassment. Just all the harassment. I walked today further than before, than normal. Just wanted to like sit and relax a little bit before I get a little sweaty from the walk. Yeah, so season 2, episode 47, something like that. Yeah. So there's a couple things I want to do today. A couple little, I want to say like relaxing maybe. Tertiary. Oh, you even got her on the bandwagon. I see how it is, you guys, you people. Yeah. Okay, I have this. So what I'm thinking I need to do. Okay, well let's grab one of these actually. Let's just see. Okay, whatever. Apply. I don't. What? What are you doing? Did I do anything weird? Okay, I don't know. I guess I'm supposed to go here. Okay. I want to do this. Boop. And I just want to see roughly how this got done. Okay. So something like that. So then I'm going to go and I'm going to grab this guy and I'm going to grab this. And I should be able to just go back one, go here, grab that ridiculous thing, beep, boop, bam. Now we got something huge. So what we want to do is we want to know the rough size of this, right? I don't even know. Can I? No, is that going to be the same shape? No, it's not. I gotta, we'll just do this, and then we'll do this, and then we'll do this. And we got a little, where's his portrait? Something like that, right? And then, no, that's gonna stick it. I'm silly, I don't even know what I'm doing right now. I wanna just cut this guy's head off. Let's cut it, let's just cut it something like that. Cool. And then we'll just go file, new. Hey, that works. That's good. Something like that. And then we're gonna save as, and we're gonna go to up one, sprites, this dude, and we're gonna call this Fire Night Head, or is it head first? I can't remember if I put head first, but whatever, it doesn't matter. And we're gonna go PNG. Boop. So what am I doing? What am I doing? What's on the docket today? More game loop stuff? Kinda not. I'm gonna just do a couple little, do these heads real quick. Because I kind of want them for something else also. So I'm going to do them real quick. Oopsies, not what I wanted to open. Whip. It's like a, what? It's not very big. That's what? Does that give me a measurement? Yeah, that's 0. 23 by 15. So if I go here, oopsie, I go here, go something like, I think this is wrong. Yeah, that's too big. Something like that. That's about right. Let's go here, because that's cool how that does that. But technically, I think I might have to drop, because what's the size of this one? This one's smaller. It should let me know canvas size. Canvas size? It's 15 by 11. So then I should do this one. I just see what my canvas size is. 17 by 12. They're all different sizes. Interesting. I should make a standard size and then work with that. It would make more sense, I think. Yeah, so let's maybe just adjust this canvas size. It doesn't have to be perfect right now. It just has to kind of do what it needs to do. Canvas size, it's like 15. My other ones are 15 by 11. I guess I could just put a border around it. I almost want to just take off the sword part. Something like that, so it's just kind of his head. And then maybe shift him a little bit forward by 1. Something like that. I think that's good. It gives a good representation. Go up 1, go to the ninja, go here, ninja, head. Am I going crazy? Oh, there it is. And I guess for you, we should also adjust the canvas to 15. It was 15 by 12? Right, 15 by 12 is what this size was. Oh, it's 17 by 12. Oh. I guess technically this other one's wrong too. It's supposed to be 17. $17 by 12, something like that. Whoa, what's going on here? Is that transparent? Just erase here. Oh yeah, it's transparent. Oh, it's just because it's like right on the cusp. Yeah, save this one. Don't need you. Don't need you. Don't save anything on that. This one, just check. Oopsies. Here, but it's 17. 17 by 12. Oops. 12. Something like that. That's fine. Yeah, that's fine. Yeah, whatever. Save. Okay, so we got a couple of them. A couple more I'll need. Ooh, now I'm starting to feel cool. I'm starting to cool down. The walk warmth is going away. The warmth, the walk warmth. I'm starting to feel the temperature come down. Okay. Yeah. Just make a couple more of these, maybe put some tunes on, some little tunes. Some tunes, some tunes. Actually, it's not too loud when it goes. Yeah. Bum, 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 bum. Yeah, what else did I want to do? Dismiss. Yeah, we're gonna get another one. Get another person. Who don't we have? Another the other Ronan. Oops, not what I want to do. Click. Slap. This guy's got a big hat though. I kind of want to get his whole hat too. Okay. I do like they have it like... Okay, so his hat's really big. And if we were to shrink him down to 17, his hat doesn't fit anymore. I guess I'm gonna keep him like this. I just need the hat. The hat's like a big thing. Yeah, so head. It's the wrong size, but it's fine. Okay. What else do I need? I really should. I have him. Oh, I put head in front of all of them. Yeah, I put head. I put head in front. I should have put head. Yeah, it's my fault. I should have put head. This one's not too bad, I don't think. I can just kind of... I'll adjust it. Maybe let's go a bit bigger, and then we'll fix it after. Something like that. Yeah, so he's not that much bigger for his canvas. So this is 17 by 12. And that's fine. And what we'll do is, and this is one thing I didn't do in the other ones, but what I think I'll do is I'll like remove some of the extra stuff so we just have their head. Like that. I think that's a little bit cleaner. And this is what... So I should have it written head, and then I got hammer. Yeah, I should go and rewrite all of them so they're all head, but I guess it'll still find it. Cool. Don't need you. We don't need you, so now we have... He has a black border. I know he has a black border. I'll probably get rid of the black border. Ooh. He's like going to be floating if I don't adjust this. That's fine. Who doesn't have this guy doesn't have it, I don't think. Oops. Let's go all the way back here. And we'll just adjust the scale. $17 by 12. We'll do. You know what? I might have to. One second. What does he look like? Let's see one that's. Yeah, it's like it's just like a, yeah, just a tight shirt. So yeah, he would show shoulder. There'd be a little shoulder there. That's fine. Oops, he's not here. Head. Not sure. Okay. Boom. I think that gives me everyone for now. Okay, so the next thing that I wanted to do is, I'm pretty sure I have to play Hello There. Ben CL2. It's going. Just doing a little art thing, kind of. I don't know. Doing something. Where is it? I want to put this here. No, not here. Here? Here. I'm trying to play with something interesting here. Also, I have to check my prefabs. How are you today? Playable? Did I? Because I know you have a thing. Oh, well, that's awesome. I'm happy to hear that. Fantastic. It's a great way to start the week. No, maybe it's not in this spot. So how am I setting my icons? Enemy prefabs. I'm always happy in life. Well, that's good. Positivity keeps us going. Now I can just figure out where I'm pulling the images for this. Prefab, enemy prefab, no. Enemy icons, no. Enemy icons. Unknown. Yeah, that's fine. Button icons. Icon buttons. Those are the buttons. Icons. Here we go. So then I gotta follow the order. So we need the archer next. So if I go head, this one, 5 is the Ronin, head. This one. 6. 6 is the ninja. This one. 7 is the fire knight. And the last one's a hammer guy. Okay, so this should... This is getting somewhere. There's a little thing here. So we'll go back to here. We'll save changes here. So now if we run it, we should have the heads, the proper heads that are supposed to be there. Should be. And that works, and that's good. What it means is that I'm one step. So we'll take someone like the ninja who didn't have their head before. We'll recruit someone. We'll go into a combat. Oh, ninja's broken. Why is the ninja broken? I know why. It's the scale at which the icons are set up. Oh, good morning. Guten morning. 32. No filter. Apply. And there we go. Now we're nice and clean. And then if we go here, we can switch between them. I'll probably get rid of the border on them so that they're this, and we might do something. You want to see what I might do? I'll show you what I might do. Where is it? 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 Where's the thing I liked? I might copy it. Yeah, I like this. Can I go? I like this little V idea. So I might make something like that to like encapsulate the, instead of a circle, like a square, I have like a little kind of chevron or something. But the idea is also to like, I have to also take into consideration oh yeah, I guess you never sent me the, you just showed me what you had on screen, but the life bars, meow 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 edge. Yeah. But yeah, so I still have to do bars, some bars. Oh, also meow 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 meow. This is what I was talking about. This is just tiles. I tiled it. This is this bottom floor is a horizontal, is a set like 45 degrees or something. And then I have a foreground one, and then I have a background one. And this is what a little prototype, a little quick prototype. And then, yeah, so I need to move where things are to be a little bit more in line, but this is kind of, say, it looks like he's there. Let's do a hurricane blast, blah, blah, blah. Okay. So, yeah, and then shortcut, there should be, oh, we didn't get a different one. We didn't get a different, oh, actually we should recruit this guy. Ooh. Okay, so this should, if I click this button, it should technically be like, hey, you have a full party, do you want to get rid of someone? I don't think that works. We'll go to combat. Oh, that guy's also screwed up too. Drop this. None. And take the point filter off. Boom. Now it's nice and clean. I probably need to do all of them like that. Yeah, they're all not set up. apply that guy. And probably you too. Yeah, there we go. Yeah, 32 is fine. So now at least I have this. Now I need to put some health bars so that I can show health bars, but I should be able to switch between everyone. Nice and switchy. Dope. Also, I probably should get rid of the ring for my slimes too. Kitchen is working in my little game. Oh, that's dope. That's dope. That's great to hear. It's Diab. That's super good to hear. Do you have any visuals? Anything you can show me? Okay, so that works. Now we're moving on to the other thing I want to do. It's just a little side thing. It's not like... It's more just for my own sanity, for not grinding away at stuff. But a later date? Okay. Here. Now, how do I want to do this? Well, one, I'm going to need a little bit of popping on the canvas. Popping on the canvas. Popping like it's hot. Popping like it's hot. We're going to need... We're going to call it... Let's go an empty game object. We're going to call this... dialogue pop up. Okay. Now in here, we're going to need a sprite. We'll just do a square for now, it doesn't matter. So this will be the head. We'll also need a UI text element. That doesn't need to be a part of that. That can go here. And then we need a third one, which will be, can I do it like this? And call speech bubble. Bibil. Okay, so we don't need to be here. Okay, so let's maybe work this the way we want it to be. So something like this. Our speech bubble, we don't have anything right now, so we're gonna just slap something random for now. This works. We're gonna double the width. 200. No, we need to be probably bigger than that. 300. Text is gonna go on there. Text has to be, we'll drop it to this, make it black. And let's get our text something like this, and we'll increase the height a little bit, like that. Something like that. Kind of loot. Okay. And yeah, we'll just have this whole thing head for. Oops, it's not what I want to do, is it? Yeah, we need a thing for this to be. So we're just gonna grab a head for now. Let's grab you. What? Why doesn't that work? Is it the layer? No. Okay. Well, then we're not going to use head. We're going to use an image. Delete this. UI image head. And then we'll grab something like you. What? Yours is not fixed either. looks a bit skinny. Why do you look skinny? Why do you look a bit skinny? What if I take you out of here? That's weird. That's so weird. Why is this? That's super weird. That's really weird. Why is my scale long? Okay, let's delete that. Let's make another one. Just in the canvas. Image. Add a thing. Okay. Yeah, why is he squished? Why is he squished? No, that's wrong. Okay, that's correct. That is correct now. Right? Yeah, whatever. And then, but image may not be the one I want to do. Maybe I do need to do a sprite. Okay, we'll do a comparison. And then we'll do our sprite. Bring our sprite here. Our width is tiny. 100 by 100. And then try seeing if this one works. Why don't we see him? 5? My layers screwed up here? -1? Huh. Let's bring it out to here. Nothing. Oh, it's so tiny. That's why. This has to be like jacked up. Why? Why does it have to be so big? Let's be 0, 0. Okay. Okay, that's... No, we want probably a 2. Yeah, so this is a bit better. Okay, then... So then we're going to take away you. I think we can switch this. Boop. There we go. And then, is this better? I guess we can do something like that. It's not too crazy. Now if I bring this into here, and I grab this whole thing, and then we got like a little like boop. Oh, boop. Okay, that's kind of how it's gonna do something like that. Okay. And then, so we're gonna need, this is gonna be head icon. And then this will be pop up text. Okay. And then should I make its own thing? Maybe we should make it its own thing. Sure, why not? Let's create its own little thing. New script. Pop up hero dialogue. I think something like that. So, get rid of this. So we're going to need UI elements. So we're going to need a public what did I call it? Sprite? I guess I'll use sprites. Sprite. Hero head icons. Make it an array. Oopsies, that's not how I do it. It's like this. Like that. Okay. So that gives us these. That. We need a public text. Or is it text mesh? It's this one? I think I should have it call from something else. So yeah, so this is just a object pop up text. That doesn't like it. It's because I'm using this one. Probably uses it. Let's see. Yeah, this is what I need. Probably need both of these actually. You happy now? Why aren't you happy now? Oh, it's text mesh pro underscore text. That's what I gotta do. Text mesh pro underscore txt. There we go. So we got that. Oh, we're gonna need the actual bubble. Public game object pop up abubal. We're also gonna need to reference a couple different things, but that's fine for now. So we're gonna need to check need a trigger. Actually, I guess we'll just do a public void turn on pop up. This is just going to be values public bool is pop up on. So this will just turn on pop-up. We should have maybe switch pop-up, I don't know. So if is pop up on equals true, we're gonna do game object, oopsies, no, it's gonna be pop up bubble dot set active is going to be true. Okay. So if it says, if it's on, no, this would be false. And then we're also going to set this is pop up equals true. And we'll just go debug log turn on pop up. And then, yeah, that's fine for now. What else do we need? What other functions do we need? We'll need the text that we're using. So public, we'll need to pull that text from somewhere. So either, I feel like I either make text built in to the unit, so another one we're going to need, public void check if hero will speak. So this one's just going to be, we'll probably have to, what do we have to do? So we have to check, so first we check each active hero. Active heroes preferred items. Okay. And then check if it's either going to be, we can just do it for now. It's going to be randomly choose one hero to speak. Yeah. So then we do have to add a preferred item. So we can do that real quick here. Items related to value. Item related values. Oh, okay. We'll just add here public string favorite item class type. I think it's a type. Here we go. So it checks that. If it checks that that's a thing that matches, then we do it. Hero item request text. Stuff the hero might say when you hover over items. Ah, okay, that's the thing I wanted. Cool, so we do pull it from there, which is good. Whenever you get a chance, I'll still need a list of element types in the game. Oh, for now, just do the basic, the basic four: earth, fire, wind, water. Just go Avatar style. Just go with those four for now. I probably have more. I haven't looked at my spreadsheet that has that in a bit. But yeah, just go Avatar style for now. Word build matrix. Actually, even my matrix I only have the 4. Technically, there's a couple other things. There's like... Wait, why do you need the elements? I'm confused. Is that pertaining to something? Oh, because you wanted to know what element versus what. Okay, yeah. I get it. Yeah, there's a couple other things, but those are all power related. But yeah, for now, just the basic 4 is fine. The avatar, is that going to be hard-coded into their class, or is that going to be randomly generated? Oh, sorry, let's go back up a little bit. So you're making a little thing where characters ask for specific items. Yeah, so right now, it's going to be... I'll probably make it... It's hard-coded-ish. So I'll probably have a list of item classes or types. And then it randomly picks a type. And then it'll like pop up saying, ooh, I like that. It's not going to be very specific. I could make it specific. I could literally just make a thing coded to that unit type. So let's say the archer. Whenever anything that relates to a bow shows up, like a bow or an arrow, he's going to be like, oh, I like that. Or I could get even more specific to like actually be like the specific name of an item, which is something that I probably will have, but that will be based on a generational thing. Well, making a list of tags for all your items, though. I already have that. My items already have tags. They have a name, and they have a type. So, yeah. So if I go to an item, so we'll go to this one. So it is a arrow. I really should change this item name to be like item type. But it's an arrow, and then its true name is like Firestorm. I should change that. I should actually just change that to not... unless I have code that's using it. Yeah, I might not be able to change it right now. I'd have to go and find all the... But pretty much, yeah. This is like what it is. Yeah, what it is. Is it a stick? Is it a thing? So this is like the tag, and then there's a name for the item. And so, yeah. So then if it's like I said, if the tag is like, oh, an arrow, the archer's going to be like, oh, I want an arrow, or I want a bow. Then if I want, I can add like a specific name, so it can also check if, does the hero have a like named item or true named item that they want. And then it checks that, and it's like if there's something in that person's thing. And there's different ways I can approach it. I can approach it that it randomly picks. Right now, it's going to be... I'm just going to set it up. I don't have a lot of heroes, so it's not that big of a deal right now. I mean, as I add the heroes, it's not hard. It's that I have to fill out all their stuff anyways. So when it comes to it, most of it is based on how the hero looks. So if they're a tank, then it's going to be like tanky items. If they have a shield, then I'll put a shield in there. If they seem like a klepto, I might just be like all, and if no one else says something, this guy pops up and says, I'll take it, I want it. Loot the body. Ooh, I need a loot the body event. But, yeah, no, I already have a lot of that stuff in here. It's not based on what items are actually good for them build-wise. Yeah, technically, yeah. 100%. It doesn't mean that the items like I could write it. I could write it in a way that is gonna help, but no. This is like a character thing. This is not a helping the player be better at the game. It's like Archer wants bow, exactly. You know, do they get any kind of bonuses using a preferred item? Again, it's something I could do, because I feel like that could mislead new players. Oh, yeah. Well, most likely the item's stat changes will just stack on their um, on their existing stuff. Also, I might put in um, what's it called? Restrictions. So like if the character wouldn't be a character to use a bow, let's say you have a fighter and they don't have a bow in like any animations, then I might just restrict that the item can't be equipped to them because it's a bow. But generic things like, oh, an orb or a stick or a dagger, things that's like, they could have it. But yeah, this is just to get that little bit of splash character stuff in. But yes, technically it could mislead. But right now, I think even the way that most of these items are designed or like built. So yeah, so the arrow, what does it do? It gives dexterity and crit chance. That's perfect for the archer. Let's go, Gilly Squid. His thing. Oh, his thing is like the really messed. It's the spoon. The spoon of sipping spoon. Gilly Squid's soup spoon, and this one just minuses and gives you a lot of toughness. So this is like a generic item. A shield, then that would be someone who has a shield, gives toughness. So a lot of these things do what they're supposed to do. Spear gives dexterity, mana, and speed, which is really good. So that would be like the Huntress would take that. Meow Edge is a sword, and it gives strength and speed, which can go to a few different characters actually, because it's just a sword type. The Battle Map, Mr. Battle Map, it gives speed, and that's like a generic item. What do we got? The Nana Halbert. This one's a little bit odd because I don't think I have any Halbert people right now. Deck of cards. This is a generic one. Nami, the fourth deck of many. It doesn't actually do anything right now. Oh, it randomly generates. It randomly every time you activate it randomly. It randomly generates stat bonuses. So whenever it has 52 durability. That's great. Man, it's funny I forget some of these things that I made. We got the penguin, and it's enchanted splintered wood. Again, this is just a plank of wood, generic. And what it does, it gives you toughness, mana, and splinter attacks AoE dot. Okay, it has extra effects that aren't coded in yet. We have a shoe. So a lot of my items are actually very generic. To say, yeah, okay, so we have another one, a quiver. By Vicious's bits is quiver. And this one, same thing, it's dex and crit chance. So those are like good for the archer class. Like this dude. So yeah. No, actually, I realized a lot of the ones I've already built are just very generic, like a shoe, plank of wood, a spoon, a deck of cards. I'd probably have something that quantifies certain things to go certain places, but right now it looks like everything's pretty good. Also, this is just a little snippet of what text could be. Oh, that looks like my kind of loot. Loot. So, I do have to also change this background. It's a little weird, but yeah. Oopsies, wrong thing. If you want it to be easier to code, you could just have a random character in your party comment when a rare item shows up too. Yep, that's actually another good one too. Right now, that's what it's the code is kind of going that way. The pop-up code. I'm just what's it called? How do I call this? I'm like putting the comments in for what I'm gonna write. Because I like to do that, because then I have kind of the idea of the whole piece of code, and then I can just plug everything else in. Yeah. Now the question is, do I have the person stay popped out until a person makes a choice? Or do I have it, the idea was that it's supposed to be hover? No? So then, like, should it be... Originally, my idea was using I haven't written the script yet, but, like, for my hover script, right? So if I hover over an item, this pops up, right? So if I hover over here and this is like a quiver or whatever, he pops up and he says, ooh, that looks like my kind of thing. So then I could technically have it trigger for each one of these. Different people could say something, right? Or pop out, hang for 3 to 5 seconds based on text string length. Maybe be just whatever feels good to you. The element goes away. Yeah, I was thinking about a timer too. It's either timer or hover. But the thing is, I was thinking of hover should also denote, like, my hover script is also supposed to give extra information. So if you hover over this, you're like, oh, okay, this is gives a little description of what it looks like. Because you don't get to know, the idea is that it's a bit of a joke, is that you don't get to know what you're picking up, right? You might start to get a feel for it, like, oh, a sword is going to give me probably strength, or a shield's probably going to give me toughness. The only reason to keep them out all the time would be if they're going to comment on every single one as you select or hover over. Yeah, that's fair. Because the thing is, would it be too egregious to have it that every time it goes over, it just, like, it picks, like, oh, one person? Or is it just better, like, only, like this, it doesn't say which item. He just pops in and says, oh, that looks like a, it doesn't say which one he wants, right? Or I have it so it's like, as I go over, he might pop up for this one, someone else pops up for this one, and someone pops up for this one. Or maybe no one pops up for this one. Or this guy pops up again because he's a klepto. But I should put a timer either way. I should have it go away. Yeah, I want to add a timer. Functions values, so we'll need a public float. Pop up timer. Just my thoughts. I like the idea. I think the idea is cute if it happens infrequently. Ah, okay. See, I like that too. I like it that. I like that one. Yeah. So maybe I should only have one character pop up per instance of, like, a choice thing. So, like, if you come to this, there's only a chance. There's a chance that they might say something, and in that chance, there's only one person who's going to say something. Yeah, that's what I was thinking. I was liking the idea that it wasn't happening all the time, and it's like a little. But then I feel like if I do that, I should make it specific. So it shows up kind of sporadically, but when it does show up, I should make it like that item right there is the one I want, boss. Yeah, it is pseudo-specific, right? Right now, my text is generic, but, like, the trigger is specific, if that makes any sense. Now I can make it so that the text is also specific to the trigger. So if it's a sword in the text, instead of saying, oh, I like that kind of loot or whatever, it's going to say, I want that sword. Or shotgun the shield. Probably not shotgun the shield, but you know what I mean. The text is, I would make the text also specific. I think that's a good idea. I like that. Because right now I was going to have the text kind of generic, so it's like, ooh, that's shiny. It doesn't specify which one they want. And then it's like a little bit more up to the player's discretion on what they pick. But then if I'm making it less often. Also, I wonder if should I put a tick counter? That if you don't get it after like 3 instances of triggering a loot thing, it like triggers. Or should I just leave it random and there could be a chance you could do an entire run and no one says anything? Either way, I might just put it in. Just a thing for myself. So public int chance pop up chance counter. I think that would be fine. Okay. We have a float for pop-up timer. I also shouldn't have it pop up immediately. It should pop up kind of a little bit after. So I need like a delay. Ooh, and then you could have like a... Yeah, I should have a pop-up delay. Yeah, I should have a pop-up delay, I think. I'll have to put that in. So, blah. So we will need a onStart function, probably, to set a couple of these things. So the first thing it does, it checks our active hero's preferred items. Then it randomly chooses one hero to speak. Because it's going to be like, oh, any of these heroes have an item that's preferred out of the stuff that's there. Then it randomly chooses one of those to speak. Bang. So then we're just going to have a public void set pop up text. So this will just be called. It's literally going to take a reference from, we'll need the hero texts, which we have. So, okay, so the other things we're going to need, we'll need some like onStart stuff. onStart data. So we're going to need we'll need the we'll need ladder data. I mean, I could just actually make it like a public game object. I could do this differently, but let's go ladder game data. That should be a little lowercase, actually. Ladder game data. And then we're going to need a so this will be set. We're going to need to know number of heroes. Oh no, we can just go through like I normally do. Yeah. So this will just for loop through the hero holder. Yeah, so this will just for loop through the hero holder. Go through each hero, check what their thing, reference that to, oh, actually we should say, oh, we're going to need another bit. Let's leave this for now. But we're going to need we're also going to need a reference to what gets created. We're going to need a reference to item selector. No, item spawner. It's going to be, oh shoot, I still have to make all the rest of the items into draggable objects. But temp holder, there we go. So it's going to check. It's going to need reference to the temp holder. That's what it's going to need. Public game object temp holder. So this is where they temporarily hold the items before they get given to the players. So then the first thing is now how do I want to save this? We generate the stuff. We find out what's in the temp holder. No, we'll just cross-reference from the temp holder. And we'll also put a delay. set a delay before running the pop-up. And then I guess I'll have a thing, it's going to be called like turn on pop-up. We should have a thing that's called run pop-up. Run pop up. Yeah, so the first thing is we're gonna do this thing. So order of operations, it's first gonna check. So first it's gonna call this one. It's gonna be check if a hero is going to speak. Okay. If that's true, we're going to need the hero icon. So we need to know the sprite icon. And then we'll need, so this is going to figure out if any of them match. This is also going to need to give us the sprite icon. So choose random hero. It's going to need to give sprite icon number item fave text also. So we're going to need to add a thing here. It's going to be public int sprite head number, something like that. We're going to need public string fave item text. So this is going to be what is the number for the head of that. Oh, what is the hero number? And then this one is going to be what is the hero item text. So that's what we need. This will also be count how many times the pop up didn't happen. Yeah. And this is just our timer. How long the pop-up stays on screen is the pop-up on. Here holds the hero icon sprites, reference to the pop-up text. This is reference to the pop-up bubble object. I know it's redundant. It literally says game object in this stuff, but I'm just putting it here. referencing this. Temp holder object that is holding the generated items. Okay. Okay. So here. Actually, I could, yeah. Technically, I need a game on public, game object, hero holder, and so, yeah. Actually, I could put those in wake. Wake happens before start, but I could put in start. So, game object or ladder data is equal to game object dot find. Oopsies, wrong. Game object dot find ladder game data. Cool. And then hero holder is going to be equal to game object dot find hero holder. And technically we should have temp holder connected, but we'll just put it here anyways, just in case. Temp holder is equal to game object dot find temp holder. So at least this way, when it starts up, it's going to grab all the right things that it needs to grab. Okay. Set pop-up text. So this is going to be text. What's it called? What do I call it up here? Pop-up text. Pop-up. Oopsies. Pop-up text is equal to what did I call it? Fave text. Fave text. Oop. Why are we not? Do I have to do this text? There, you happy now? You happy now? Because it needs to be turned into a string. Okay, so that's setting the pop-up text. We need to set the icon. Public void set hero icon. And then this one's going to be, what do we have here? Yeah, we have number. So element. We need another one. Just technically. Public sprite hero icon. Okay, so then here, this is going to be set hero icon is going to be hero icon is going to equal to hero head icon. Then here it's going to be hero number, sprite head number, sprite head number. Bam. My hand's getting kind of cold. Okay, so that's good. So this sets this sets this. If this will happen first, turn on pop-up. Actually, you know what? We should actually just have it. So this, if pop-up is equal to false, turn it on. We can also add, we can set all the stuff because it's on. So this is an important thing. Set pop icon, yeah. We'll call this set hero pop-up text. The big reason is the order of operations. This has to be an active object for this stuff to work. So the object gets turned on, then it writes this stuff. Okay, so that's pretty good. Then, yeah, so then here, the last part here is going to be pop up, and then this is going to be turn on pop up. It's going to go here. So then here, ooh, if we turn on pop-up, I technically should add a tick to my how many times pop-up has popped. No, it's how many times pop-up has not popped. Yes. So here, for I 0. Oh, did I do this right? I always forget my for loop starts. And I use for loops so much. I use for loops constantly. Yeah, int I. Okay, I'm not crazy. Then I a plus plus. I was unhappy because I didn't do this. No, it's I. I need to add that after. So it's I. Well, I is less than hero holder dot length. No, dot count. Why am I forgetting this? Child count. Int is equal to this. So I have to set it first. Oh. It's transform dot child count. That's what it is. No. Transform dot child count. And that gives me my I know I should be there. Like for loops. It could fill a lot of these quick things for you, like for loops. Yeah, probably. Just haven't even got. I'm not. I don't know. I'm still like not the best coder, and I want to keep kind of practicing this stuff. As much as the generative AI could like do it for me, I want to be able to like do it myself for a bit and have it like ingrained in my head, so that when I'm looking at my stuff later, it's easier for me to like pull the data. Like just I can quickly look at it and pull my data out into my brain. Okay, so we're cycling through how many heroes are in the hero holder. Then we have to check. So we checked the first hero. So then we're going to need a variable. And we're going to call this hero. It's equal to hero holder dot transform dot child get child I. Okay, so now we have that object. Ooh, you know what? I should be very specific. I think hero unit, and then I should make this dot get component. I think this will make it a lot easier. There we go. So now at least I have the unit. I have the unit information. Cool. Now we need another one. No, we need to get if it has a favorite item. So did I write a thing here? I didn't write a thing here, but we can just we don't need to. Oh yeah, we could do this. Okay, so another variable, fav item is equal to hero holder, or I guess I could just use this, hero unit dot in a unit. Did I create a favorite item? Yes, favorite item type. Perfect. Favorite item type. Kaplow. Okay, so now we know what the favorite item is. Then we're going to run another for loop of our int. Let's go E, just to keep myself a little different on this one. Then if E is less than temp holder dot transform dot child count, E is going to get plus max plus la la. Okay. Wait, can I use this temp thing? Then we're gonna go temp, no. Oh, okay, now I gotta check each one. Oh, this is checking it. Yeah, so it goes through here. If temp holder dot transform, should I just make it a child? I should just do that. It'll make it easier for myself. Sometimes it has some good ideas pop up when you might not have thought of. Oh, that's good to know, actually. Variable item is equal to temp holder dot transform dot get child E dot get component item unit bang bang if item dot name, no, item name is equal to fav item if those are the same, then we're gonna, so we've now found an item. So we run through it. So we found a match. Oh, this is just going to the first match though. We want to be able to randomly switch them. So now we have a match. We need to say that we have a match. Maybe I'll just make shoot. So now we have a match. This would technically take the first match it finds, but I don't want that because what if each person has a match? I should probably save them. I need to save each one. So I guess I could make another element. So we'll go public string. Ooh, actually, if you use public unit, why not? Public unit. Hero with item interest. We can do this. No, I did that wrong. This has to be over here. Oh, but we can't. Oh no, I can just force the number to be. I know what I do. I know how to do it. Yeah, easy peasy. Array of heroes who like one of the items. Cool. So that's cool. So then what it's going to do sometimes, oh, okay. What it's going to do here, it's going to go, and I should also put count. I should put a count for this. Public int number of interested heroes. Okay, so then what it's going to do, it's going to say hero interest, hero with interest. Oopsies, that's interest. It should be interest. And oopsies, interest. Right? This is number of heroes interested, because it's going to start at 0. And then, so now so 0, the slot 0, and then that slot 0 is going to be equal to hero unit. Boom. Then we also need to number of interested heroes needs to plus because we got to increment that. Boom. Boom, boom, clack, clack, slap, crapple, pop. So, we should put here, in here, we gotta just throw a debug tab, debug. I just want to know that this goes to it, debug.log, so we know that it actually is like, hey, we have an interested hero. Actually, it's going to be hero unit dot nickname plus is interested in bang space plus I guess it would be item dot item name. Boom. So now it's going to say who wants it and what the item is. That's important. Okay. Then we plus plus. Break out of this. Okay. It does this for all the items. Oh. Now the kicker, this is actually really clever. I'm a clever boy. Because there's a chance that a hero, let's say if I have 3 swords, and the hero's favorite item is a sword, then technically they would be in the pot for 3 times of saying something. That's the way it needs to be. Okay, so that's going to make an array. So then this is going to go up. And then we'll know number of interested heroes. So the maximum number of interesting heroes can be... What can it be? What can it be? What's the likelihood of the maximum number of interested heroes? If we have 3 items, we can have a party of 4. I mean, every person could be interested in all 3 items, which means it's 4 times 3 is 12. No, it's not 9. Right? Right? Am I right or am I wrong? 4 people. Each person wants the item 3 times. That's 12. That's 12. Okay. Mathematics. Okay, cool. So then I need to make sure that I actually set my array. I could build the array whatever I want. Actually, I could technically fix the array. I could create a new array each time when it spawns, calculating the exact probability of how many spots I would need. But no, for now I'm just going to put 12. I'm going to save this now so I can actually slap some of that stuff. Slap those monkeys. Oh gosh, my hands are so cold right now. But yeah, so let's go to our... Not the temp holder. This thing. So, we're going to need the hero icon sprite. Text, pop-up text, pop-up bubble. So this goes... What? Didn't I make this sprite? Yeah. Okay, can I put this here? Yeah, I can put that there. I can put you here. But this should be a part of it. Why can't I? This is a sprite. Sprite? And the other thing's looking for a sprite. Why can't I link that? Oh, you know what? No, I think it has to be a game object. Huh. Or... Yeah, it has to be a game object. Crudios. Okay, so that has to actually... Hero icon has to be a game object. Yeah. No. If I call this game object. Sprite renderer, not sprite. This actually has to be sprite renderer and sprite. Boom. Pack check. Layla. Doom. Such a little thing, just a little thing that I just. This number of interested heroes is going to be 12. Ladder data it's going to find. Hero held this all this stuff it's going to find. Number of interested heroes, we're going to find out that here. Sprite head number, pop count, timer. Well, I also have to put a timer. And then the flavor text, which we have here. Okay, that's good. Then yeah, pop like it's hot. Okay, so this does this. Should technically work. Now we choose a random person. So so we're gonna need a. I guess I could put it up here. And chosen. Is it S? Oh, chosen. Hero. Okay, so chosen hero is going to be equal to a random dot range from 0. No. I think is it 1 or is it 0? Crap. It's this to number of interested heroes. But I do have to remember that I guess this is also going to be 0, right? I got to remember how range works because I know it takes the last whatever number it is. It's not that number. So if I had like 0 to 10, 0 to 9 is actually 0 to 8. But the max value, random range, exclusive of 10. So yeah, so okay, no. So this is fine. This is actually how it wants to be. Cool. That's what we want. So now we have the selected hero. Number has been chosen. Then we are going to take that number and we're going to set fave text is equal to what is it? Interested hero. Oh, hero with interest. Right? Yeah, that one. This is going to be this. This is going to be the chosen hero. Dot favorite item type. No. Oh, we need to, you know what we're missing? We're missing what he says. So in here, we need to have public string fave item text. In the future, these can be arrays. We can add more things to it. It will make the other code a little bit complicated because then it would have to also loop through each possible item they want, but this is fine for now. That's fine for now. Okay, so then this is favorite type. No, it's not this. It's going to be fave item text. Yeah, that's pretty much going to do that. So now we're setting the favorite text, which then it'll set the text to the pop-up text. We also need to get our hero icon number. And I believe my heroes are set up with default number values on them. The hero number. Yes, so they have a hero number. Perfect. So right now we have 0 to 8. Perfect. Which also should my pop-up have so this should be 8 as well. And then I have, no, it's going to be 9, sorry. And then I got to grab the icons for these guys, and they're all going to go here. So if I go head, it's technically supposed to be... Oh, where's his head? Whatever, we'll use this one for now. And then next one, head, is going to be her. Head, after is the wizard, wizardo. Head, have a sword dude. Yeah, I'm gonna have to redo all these heads to make them nicer for all the different stuff. But it'll do for now. Archer. And then after the archer, this is the Ronin. I am a Ronin. I have no master. Head ninja. Ninja. I'm a ninja. This is going to be head. This is going to be the fire guy. And then this one's going to be the hammer dude. It's hammer time. Oh. Okay, cool. So those are set up. 0. Okay. And then code. This is just going to be equal to... So yeah, so I also have to set... That's setting the sprite and text. The other one is going to be sprite... Oopsies. Sprite head number. It's going to equal to hero interest, the chosen hero. Chosen hero dot hero number. Boom. That's great. Okay, so now we know those things. Then it goes to the pop-up. So it runs turn on the pop-up. Pop-up gets turned on. It sets to active. Now that we have an active pop-up, we're gonna do this. So we're gonna set the icon, bing bank. We're gonna set the text, bing boonk. Perfect. Okay. And then we also have to set a timer for it to pop off. But yeah, in theory, this should work. So now we just need to We need to go to the prefabs. We need to write all the things that... So right now, it doesn't have to be overly complicated, but we do have to know what items are available. What items are available? Yeah, here. Okay. So actually, I can look at here. So we have the default one, which is called default. I'm back from my poop. Was he focused? Yeah. You just made a big old stinky poo. So we'll go sword. The item's a sword. Do we have many swords? A crystal. I have a sword. Crap, we have 2 swords in this. We have 3 swords in this. Okay, the likelihood of them being... He escaped push-ups for now then. So we have 3 swords. So we'll just grab a pre-playable person. Your item that you're going to want... Here. Item type, we'll call it crystal. I want the shiny one. Okay. You're technically supposed to have like a spear. I was looking for a new spear. Orb. There's a sword. Don't mind if I do. Maybe I'm gonna make his a katana. I don't have a katana right now, but we'll do it. Spirit. Okay. There's no E at the end of it. Of sprite or spirit? Well, this is not really hard coded. This is all text that can be changed. It's not hard coded at all. It's also because I need it to test, so. Okay, I think right now the pop-up won't go. Oh, I think you want the type spirit sprite, but you typed in regards to the. Oh, yes, I did. Yes, that is correct. That is correct. Spirit. Right? That look weird to me. Sprite. Huh. Okay, cool. Cool bananas. I guess we'll give it a shot. I should just add a couple more extra bits of things. So we'll just have debug. Actually, we'll put this. Yeah, whatever. Debug dot log set pop text debug log set pop up icon. Turn on pop-up. I should put this debug.log. Hero item interest dot chosen hero dot name. Okay, so that should tell me the hero that got chosen. Ton of strings for each character, like turned based RPG. You could have a scriptable object with a ton of strings for each character. Actually, that's not a bad idea either. Creating a separate thing, because yeah, my unit script is getting kind of bloated because it literally holds all the so like if I had another maybe like unit dialogue or unit text, and that would be a thing that its own like thing within each person. It'd be separated, so then it's like I don't have to call my entire unit script. But the thing is, the unit script has like a lot of extra information. Yeah, I might need to separate it, especially something that's like not, if it doesn't relate to, if it doesn't need to know any kind of extra values like stat values. Looking up scriptable objects, probably should. Yeah, so this should work. See how it goes. Oh, big thing before I do it, I need to make sure I linked everything. So let's go and check our pop-up. These are going to get picked up when the runs. This should be off. And then when it turns on, it's probably gonna turn on. Actually, can I no, do I have to do this? Oh, I do need a code. I have to do a coroutine. I could just jank this. Start time when the function is called. I guess. Well, what did I miss here? I know when I've been talking with Nick about art stuff, he has been commenting on how much they could help your code cleanliness in the future. Don't be like Undertale and make the game. It's crazy because that, like, the whole thing about Undertale is, I can't remember, there was something. Oh, Brainoid Games. Sorry I missed your message. A roguelike turn-based RPG. I'm interested. Oh, okay, yeah. Yes, so the game is a roguelite, yeah. So how it works right now, I'm just getting to the streamer ignores chat, scammed. So right now I'm just working on getting the full game loop and the beta kind of locked in so people can try it out. But yeah, pretty much it works out. You start... Actually, I guess I could just run it. I'll give you a little rundown while I run the game a little bit. Just pause that for now. Yes, I want to save changes here. So this is just a dungeon crawl right now. And this is just a dungeon crawl. So the other game, so you start off, not everything's all prettied up UI, but you pick someone, you can recruit people, you can go to a fight, Pokemon styled kind of combat. You don't lose a turn for switching your people out. You can switch however you want. It's only when you perform an action. You can see they have all sorts of different names and stuff. One of the things is as you get higher levels, your characters can add... Ooh, okay, actually, this is what I was working on. Let's see if the treasure room works. Treasure room did not trigger. So we have crystal, sword, success, preset error. What do we got here? This is in the item unit. This is a reference thing. Doesn't matter. Why didn't my other thing get called? Item successful set to sword. That's fine. That's cool. I just want to see if my other thing worked. Maybe I need to have it on. But whatever. So yeah, oops, didn't mean to do that. What I'm going to do is I'm going to have it on. But yeah, so actually I'll just keep playing for a little bit. We'll deal with the item thing. I didn't have to close. So we'll pick her. We'll go to a combat. You fight. Do your things. Level up. When you level up, ooh, a shortcut. You can take shortcuts. Ooh, this one's a really complicated one. So this is like the passageway closing on you. So I use similar things to kind of like D&D situations. So you pick a character based on what you think they're the best. You'll see all their stat. Like you'll click and you'll see what's their best stat, and you'll try to figure out, is that the best stat for this situation? The party escapes with no issue. Cool. We keep going. Got lots of shortcuts here. Oh, he said, there's no cost to switching characters. Do you have a reason to disable all the characters all at once in the screen to keep it more Pokemon-y? The reason I let you switch freely is, or I let you switch without losing a turn, is because what can happen is your characters. Let's do a fight here. we'll finish this. Let's see if we can get a recruit going. Okay, whatever. I'm just going to do this. I'm going to get a recruit. Recruit. We'll cycle a couple more times. We'll do a shortcut. Now we should have 2 people. We did not get another person. That's not good. Something happened here. Loot room. Take the crystal. Put the crystal here. Continue. Got a lot of shortcuts. Why am I getting so many shortcuts? I want to recruit someone. Uh-oh. I think something's broken. There we go. Okay, I recruited a hero. Let's go here. Okay, so now we switch to this dude. Okay? This dude can, if I go do this, bang, 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 bang. Look, he's knocked out. He's still the active hero. And what can happen is the enemy can keep beating the crap out of him while he's down. So to save you from taking damage from swapping out your person, you can swap your person out. Technically, these buttons should go live again. And they take the brunt. They finish this person off. Oh, there's another guy. Let's finish that guy off. Finish that guy off. And she's probably going to level up here. Yeah, so she goes to here. We level her up. Technically, she's supposed to train her skills. When you train a skill, you get to kind of adjust the way your attacks are worded. So going from like a strike to a double strike or a triple strike or a fire strike, blazing strike, and it gets more ridiculous as you go, up to 3 additional words to your attack. So ultimate blazing twin strike is a thing. Yeah, that's kind of, I probably could explain it better. Oh, we heal, and we keep going in combat. Yeah, so everyone's healed up. She should technically have a higher power level. He's back up. Let's see what happens. Flame! He has the fire slash, and he flames out. What did I miss? Display, not disable. I don't think the basis of this question is about free switching. It's about seeing the whole party at once. Oh! A la Darkest Dungeon, yes. 100 other games too. If the character dies, should you show the first available alive character? So yeah, if the character dies, they're just pulled. So let's heal. Also, it's not resetting his health. So her health is back. His health is still in the red, which is wrong. So if we wait, and we wait, and we wait, he should technically, he's gonna die soon. Come on. Come on. I see you almost there. 0. Now his thing's going up. Technically, he's in a down state, and then he's dead. His character's gone. This should be gone, too. There's a little bit of a weird issue. And her, she takes over. We pop this fool. We go. We'll heal her. We'll take another fight. Ooh, I wanted the recruits. I shouldn't show what's coming next, because I feel like it makes you wish that you went that way. She levels up again. She's level 3. We need a recruit. Boop. Go to a fight. There we go. Now we got another recruit. Now the cool thing is, when a person dies, they get moved to a dead holder. So it keeps all the dead people. And they're used later for different things. One, to see how many people died in your run. He's missing the border on the PFP. PFP? I don't know what PFP means. First available live character. Yeah, I don't have a border on him. I'm probably gonna pull the borders after your cool little piece of art. I liked it better than this, and then I gotta figure out how I want to put if I want to put the health bar directly below, like along here, or if I do the other idea where it's like off to the side. You didn't give anything for this, but you did show. Where is it? I have it here somewhere. You did show that other stuff, and I liked, I think this is it. I liked this little V kind of thing. I thought that was neat. I like this, like, it's not fully bordered, it just kind of does this part. I thought that was cool. And I was like, oh, okay, how could I, like, maybe I could do a V, and do I, like, do a V and then make the health bar go up on an angle? I haven't given you anything. Masked is the term you're looking for. Masked? Okay. But yeah, I was thinking, oh, maybe I could do this, make this like a low chevron, and then I could actually put my, like, I don't know if it would look good or not, but like have the health bar up on an angle instead of horizontal. I was like, ooh, that might be an interesting thing. Have it like that. Be a little cool, a little different. Does this work? Oh, it kind of works. He does no damage, though. I don't think I put any value to the damage. Go, some more. Full brink. He moves because the animation for this is in a different image, so the center is like then here because it actually draws the whole arrow, right? Oh, it does damage. Okay, it does just very little damage. Cool. I didn't realize that. Shortcut, any cool new shortcuts? Ah, see, now we can see other people's stuff. You found an area to rest. Who will stand guard and pick someone fast? That's like really on the nose. He's crit chance. She's dexterity. Let's go crit. Up. Up. We're being attacked. And it didn't actually go to combat for some reason. Fail effect. Yeah. Oh, because the fail effects are not embedded. It tells me what happens, but it doesn't actually trigger. It's supposed to trigger a combat. You're supposed to get attacked because you're resting. Yeah, Brainoid Games. I don't know what else to kind of tell you. My big hooks are leveling your abilities with cool names, making them more powerful and crazier. I want to have a bunch of heroes. I have a bunch of items that modify base stats. Some do extra little things. And yeah, and eventually this will go to an overworld where you can walk around and interact, and there'll be quests and things. Right now I don't particularly... I have an overworld, and it does work. It's just the art direction isn't set in stone yet, so instead of showing that off a lot, I'd rather do this. This also has all the game loop criteria that is needed for the overworld. So it has the combat, it has the leveling, has the items, has the party management, has party death. It has events, which are the same, effectively the exact same thing as like random encounters. But they'll also be like tied to quest related things. So instead of like, hey, go find this thing, I just have an event that checks if you're gonna succeed or not. I also have those same kind of checks in the overworld for my path blockers. So the overworld is persistent, and every time your party gets wiped, time ellipses, and different paths open and close. So think of Pokemon and Strength, or Cut, or Waterfall. Pretty much heroes will have certain abilities that they could probably use, or not abilities, stats that they can use to adjust the traversal of the world to get past the blocks that may occur. So if a river washes out a bridge because X reason, you might have a hero that's strong enough to like leap across or parkour or something and tie a rope, and then the rest of your party can shimmy shammy over. Now, I gotta go back to this thing here. Maybe I'm gonna turn it on. I'm gonna turn it on. I'm gonna have this on. It has all the heads. These are interested parties. It has all the icons. That's cool. Maybe I didn't get any interested parties. Okay, we'll leave it on this time. Because it says Oh, no. You know why I didn't do anything? Because I didn't run anything. I'm so bad. So we're just going to grab this chunk of default Unity code, slap it here. We're going to grab this little thing. Yoink. And we'll put this here. And then wait 5. This is waiting 5 seconds. Cool. We can change this wait 5 thing to our pop-up timer. Oh, this is just waiting. We can set this the same thing. Game's looking a lot more like you're getting close to a complete game loop than it was last month. Though, so good job at that. Yeah, a lot of it's like little things. It's always little things. Little things, and then making sure stuff works the way, like, I still don't have an end screen, but really I haven't coded any of the stuff that's supposed to take all the data, which it's saving, the what is it, the level ladder game data retains all the information, but I need to now put that into the end screen. And then there's very small like UI menu stuff. Like, I really don't like my current starting window, the choice. I'd like the choice to be nicer looking. Like right now it's really janky. Heck, I'd rather use the other choice, one where it's you have the sliding hero choice. He gave me one. He didn't send anything. Or is it from like before? I don't know. Maybe I'll have to ask him to shoot it my way again. Oh, the start. Oh yeah, no, the start menu. No, I'll probably use that. Yes, the start menu. Yes, I'm talking about like the hero choice menu. Right now, my hero choice, I don't like it. It shouldn't just put you in the. You shouldn't be picking a hero out of the dungeon. I like the idea of like some sort of resurrection or something to be like. Or the other thing I was thinking was like maybe I put all the heroes in jail. They're like in the bottom of the dungeon. I was thinking a lot of different things. One of the ones was a little bit more, I don't want to say cinematic, but it's like a pool, like a blue kind of glowy pool. And you see like ghost forms of heroes. So they're like, blues, light colors. And that's how you select through. So you're kind of looking at this pool of ghosts, and then you pick one. And when you pick one, it like rises up, and then it becomes the colored character, and then that's the character you take to the first level of the dungeon. So the idea that there's like a soul pool at the very bottom of the dungeon, and you as the deity or whatever is like giving life to these hero souls, then those heroes can go up, and then they do the whole thing. They get through the dungeon, they get out, they get onto the real world, and they go off the adventure, and they slay the bad guy. But yeah, because I did a clip in my, this is like the idea clip right in here. Where is it? That's where I have resurrection. Where's resurrection? Here. So this part, that part is kind of like, I wanted this to be a pool, not like a thing, and I wanted this to be like a ghost, but this is just my little resurrect spot. Did I put another resurrect? Here. Return anew, this one. This little boom, boom, boom. It's literally just the reverse of the death animation with a hold on like a couple frames to make it look like they're like breathing. But yeah, I wanted to do something like this, and then you'd have versus my like choose hero thing. Here, this is like you're in the castle already. I forgot how many typos are in the trailer. Yeah, oh yeah, probably. But yeah, so then this, what is this crud? Yeah, so it'd be the same thing. You scroll through and you see like stat type stuff. But instead, these would all be ghosted. They'd all be ghosts, and it'd be like a almost like you're looking at a pond or something. I don't know if I wanted to make it circular or if I wanted to make it like kind of, it's like an I don't want to say like an army of ghosts. If I go paint, I was thinking like, oh, you have like a pool, right? And then your bonums, your people are like, you kind of like, I don't know if you ever played Mortal Kombat and they had like graves, like a graveyard that you like got stuff. You unlocked graves and tombstones to unlock like character skins and other stuff. So it'd be like this, and then you can move around between like further back and like closer ones. And then I was thinking, oh, you know how you do this is that you make it so that because you unlock these, right? Like you'll unlock more ghosts. So right off you might start with only like 3 ghosts, and then as you recruit and encounter other heroes, you can have those ghosts that will appear in here, and then you can like pick them to start on the next run. So I like to make the selection thing a little bit more, I don't want to say story driven, but like kind of bring the story a little bit. It's the same reason I wanted to do the coroutine, and then technically I gotta run pop-up after. That's why, because I didn't run that. Run pop-up. Pop it like it's hot, pop it like it's hot. So this should wait 5 seconds. Then it runs the pop-up. Is 5 seconds too long? 1, 2, 3. Oh yeah, 5 seconds too long. Let's go 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. Would that give? Yeah, 3 seconds. Fine. 3 seconds. Okay. Okay. When the pimps try to get at you, pop it like it's hot. Pop it like it's hot. Wow, it's already almost lunchtime? I didn't realize it was that late. Oh, crud. Whatever. We'll do this. It might change what's in the corner here. Shaniqua. Let's go, Shaniqua. Is it Shaniqua? Did I get a Shaniqua? No, I got Fatima Chachala. Spear to the face. Ooh, we'll get the hammer guy. It's slam. Slam jam. Ricky damn. Oh, treasure room. Oh, I don't know if either of them will work. 1, 2, 3. Count's finished. Did nothing work? Okay, we got null reference exception. That's fine. Null reference exception. Hero. So this didn't like it. Why didn't it like it? Let's take a look at some stuff. Okay. It's the coroutine. What did you redeem? I did it. What did you redeem? Name a hero. Oh. Oh, you want to name a hero, eh? Quite literally, you could just always ask whatever hero you want. Okay, so something's a little miss. So, item successfully set, error out of bounds, coroutine. Favoritism among viewers? Yeah, that, I mean, really, all the people that know me in real life kind of get a little bit of favoritism, to be honest. Okay, so the items I have are a sword, default, and a crystal. Yes, okay, I guess that would make sense that none of these would actually trigger. So then I should, in my code, have a thing that stops this. So really, I have to do, as long as so if chosen hero is greater than -1. So I should default chosen hero to be -1 because I can't. It's an int, so I can't actually make it a null. Yeah, because we're gonna have. Oh no, not chosen hero. No. If number of interested heroes is greater than 1, greater than 0 actually. Yeah, so we have more than one. We have at least one hero, and then we do that. If it's greater, yeah, that makes sense. What did I miss here? Apparently we. Whoa! Chat's going too fast. Oh no, I didn't mean to redeem it. Lol. I wanted to hoard the points. Wait, what? Is there a way for me to fix that? Apparently we don't live in a glorious socialist chat. Scriptable objects are just holders of data that aren't always interactable in scenes. They say you wanted to make a scriptable object, it would hold the name prefix. You could use that for item tool and many other things. Definitely worth looking into. I think I had some scriptable objects. Oh wait, I think my items are scriptable objects. Nick X scriptable objects are OTP. Sounds like it's worth looking into for real. They're very useful. I use them for my food, and it holds the sprite, cook time, prep items. Yeah, I think my my drag and drop items are scriptable. I think so. I'll have to check. Wait. So you were okay. Question is, can I give back your things? Can I? You redeemed stuff. Can I report reward redeemed? How do I just vibe the chat? You stole all her bits and pennies. No. There must be a way I can give it back. Can't refund channel. You can't? Oh. Oh no. And there's no way to just give channel points, huh? Refund. To refund channel points, you need access to channel point redeem queue on Twitch dashboard. A streamer can reject a redeem request and the points will be returned. Oh, okay. So I can do it. So if I go here and I do this. No, that's reporting the. No, I want to. There's a way to do this. So, access the redemption queue. Go to the navigate channel point redeem queue. Okay. So rewards. Is it under rewards? No. Power up and channel points. Where is manage channel points? Rewards. What the heck is redeem queue? Access redemption queue. Go to Twitch dashboard and navigate to the channel points redeem queue. Twitch dashboard. Channel points. No, I think this is lying to me. Settings? No. Viewer rewards? New. I like the channel that lets you gamble your channel points. I should do that on my stream. Gamble. You could stream more so she can earn them back big time. No, I'm gonna find out. I'm gonna figure this out. Okay. Your points will be returned to viewer. Mods can also refund by using /request command or by accessing the mod view. Oh, wait, maybe I can do that. What if I do /request? Open. Mod should refund all push-ups. Maybe it's somewhere here. Collaborate, chat, go. I don't know. Oh, maybe in here? Stream chat, quick actions, stream health, preview collections, mod actions. Ooh, I'm getting close. Added the term sword fart. You stop it now. You shush your face hole. Okay. Quick actions? No. Ads, chats, thingy. Let's go back to active feed. There has to be a way I can. No. What the heck? What is going on? No. Trying to redeem. Now I have two things. Now I have to put those somewhere. I have to make like a list. I have to make a list now. I have to make a list. I think I have actually. I think I have an Excel document. I think I have one. I think I have a spreadsheet somewhere. Event text. Twitch sub gift. Ah, yes, that's the one. So we need to add Nana one hero name to redeem, or redeem hero name to make, and then we got Mr. Battlehorse, and we'll just add that to here. Hero name to be redeemed, hero name to make, and then I should actually put another thing, like a check mark, done column. And if it's done, I can check mark it. That's good. Okay, that's saved. Okay, cool. Those are there. I'm gonna get back to you, Mr. Aries on Ice. I'm gonna go do the thing now. Leave me alone. Get me. Oh, I really have to pee now that I stood up.
2, 3, 4, 5.
Oh yeah, I guess I have to put my camera back. Keyboard noises. What about my noises? Something's wrong with my chat. Chat disconnected. Please wait while we try to reconnect. Huh? That was weird. Chat from something else disconnected. So why is your text look like it's highlighted? You didn't highlight your text. Weird. Very weird. Oh no, wait, my chat. Whoa. Did my chat disconnect? Did I like coincidence that the stream stops as soon as you leave to do push-ups? I did do push-ups. Whoa, what happened? My whole stream it's reset. What the hell? Yeah, no, my Twitch is saying my session's reset. You didn't see it. Off-screen character development. I did my push-ups. I don't know what happened. I don't know why my stream... Uh-oh. Uh-oh, what's going on here? OBS says I'm still streaming, though. Looks like you need to do 10 more we didn't see. This seems a little suspicious. You sure? You sure? I feel like there's some suspicious things. Because, like, my OBS says I've been streaming. But, yeah, my Twitch seems to have reset my session timer, which doesn't make any sense. It's going down again. Lunch is coming. Okay, fine, I'll do it. Okay, let's see something. Because it could be a wiring related thing. If I grab this camera, does anything break right now? Nothing's breaking. Right? We're good. We're good? We're good. Okay. Little hellos. Little hands here. Okay. Okay. We're still streaming. Still streaming. I'm gonna go over here. And do it again. There. That's so weird. Such a weird thing for it to happen like that. I just don't understand. Okay. Someone gets a free 10 push-ups for the redeem. What? What? No, I'm gonna go have lunch. People are mean. But before I go, I would like to run this. I'd like to run this before I go. 9 a.m. sharp tomorrow, hopefully. I like to... What is going on now? What is load... Is my computer taking a big goo-goo bad? Looking forward to a full week of productivity dev hype. I mean, I would love that. Okay, clear this. We're gonna run it. We're gonna see if we can get this damn chat thing to work. We'll take someone who I know likes swords. We'll take this dude. He likes swords. We're gonna recruit someone new. Who did we get extra? Who did we get extra? Okay, we got the archer guy. We're gonna hit a fight. We're gonna super blaze blast slash. We're gonna heal. We're gonna get another fight. Super blazing slash. Okay. We're going to go to the treasure room. So statistically speaking, I have one sword. Okay. So some stuff. Turn on pop-up. Okay, that went. Set the icon. This is where it gets upset. It's like icon sprite, set sprite number, Okay. Here, we have one person. Okay, so he's 0. Our sprite head is number 7. The text is sword, that's mine. So then Y, unassigned reference, the hero pop has not been assigned. Oh, are you kidding me? Right there, right there. That's where I screwed up. I didn't connect my... Did it work? What is going on? Did his head not... no, see, this wasn't assigned. Again, a flippin' small problem that I didn't do. I didn't do it. We go here, we go here, we go to this thing. See here? Icon? We need the icon. Where's the icon? Oh, this. Boop. There we go. Now we reference this. The head icon. Perfect. Head icon. There is... Que pasa? Why is my head icon not visible? Visible, 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 visible. There we go. That fixes that. Okay. So then. Oh, because I had a minus layer. You're right. This should just be 1. What I need is I could probably pop this off now. Pop it off. It should do what I want now. The big thing is we need to get a hero that wants a sword, because statistically there's 3 sword items, so I should statistically. None of these guys want to. Can I get a different hero? No, whatever. We'll grab. Oh, can I just cycle random? No. Let's grab you. What hero did that give me? Okay, well, let's get another hero. Come on, give me another hero. Someone with the right thing. Oh, I got 2 Steves? No, not what I wanted. So you got 2 of these guys. You know what? You're gonna die. I'm gonna let you die. Die a horrible death. Get out of here. Then we'll take you. Do this. Bullseye. Okay. Ah! Stop giving me Steves! I'm calling them Steves. That's just how they are. They're called Steve now. Why? I just want a different... I got another Fatima. What the heck is going on? Uh-oh. Oh. This is wrong. Uh-oh. Bing, 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 bing. She's gonna level up. Bing. Okay, sword guy. Cool. Now we have a sword guy. Cool. Let's see if we can get to the item place. It is not in the circulation. Okay, let's go here. Something's a little screwed up here. Not sure why. Okay, treasure room. 1, 2, 3. That doesn't matter. Is it because it's not active? I bet just because it's not active. What did I miss? Layers. Ha, it was good. Let's carry through the good progress into tomorrow D&D. I think they're more fill-coded personally. Hee hee hee. Lol. What are we talking about? Claps. This was quite the stream, Mr. Streamer. Yeah, it was good. I am so confused. Going for a walk. Okay, going for a walk. I'm gonna go have some steak. But something's wrong here. And I broke a couple different things. We do have a guy in the dead holder, which is right. It's probably because it's not active. I probably have to activate it, and I probably have to pull it into scene. That's probably why it's getting a little janky. So I bet you I have to have this active, and it probably has to do with the fact that it's in a layer here. Now, I'm gonna try one more time before I go to lunch. One last time. because I want to make sure that it should probably... Oh, cool. We can start with Sword Guy. Perfect. Let's do a fight. Come on. Hurricane Slash. Oh, that's such a good slash. We got a shortcut. Sure, we'll hop a shortcut. Let's do this. Yeah, you do. Oh, we got attacked. Who cares? No one cares. Shortcut again. We're going to jump the chasm. He's strong. He jumps the chasm. No problem. He gets some XP from that. We're going to fight one dude. Hurricane Slash. Come on. Give me the dessert. Give me the dessert. There we go. Treasure room. Hey, look, he's there. Oh, that's a knife. A knife. A knife. A knife. Ooh. A knife blade. He's a knife blade. A knife blade. I like... that knife blade. Knife blade. Knife blade. Knife blade. Okay, we're gonna fix that. But cool, it works. It technically didn't seem to wait. I don't know why it didn't wait. No, not this. This. Oh, you know what? I know why. Control X. Control V. Right? That's why. It's skipping over this coroutine. The coroutine's happening, but it's not doing this. That is the problem. Okay, cool. Cool. That's good. That does what it's supposed to do now. We are in the liquid. And undo this. And we'll quickly go to the prototype, the prefab for him. Because I wrote something silly. Yep. This should say, not knife. Nice. Oh, that's a nice blade. Cool. Save. Everything's saved. Code is saved. Cool. Cool. I'm gonna go now. Eat some lunch. I can feel the burning in my tummy for food.